สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีครับ Welcome to Aiden's Show. I'm so happy today
Why are you happy?
because my mommy is so cute.
Thank you. And we're going to cook together, right?
And cook together.
What are we cooking today?
The cooking is American fried rice.
American fried rice. Okay. Do you know what it's called in Thai?
Yeah.
What is it?
And then now
Khao pad.
cow pot.
Khao pad what?
Cow pot American cow pot rice.
Khao pad American. Very good. Are you excited?
Yeah.
How much?
Super much. Yay!
Okay, let's do it.
Let's do it. So, first we need butter.
Okay, I'll hold the pan for you. Careful, it's hot.
Oh, it's melting. Look, it's melting. It's all melted.
Okay, now what should be next?
This
What is it?
garlic.
Garlic. Okay, we fry the garlic. Very good. It smells so good, Aiden.
Yeah.
Okay, next is pea.
Peas. But it's so tiny. Its pea is green.
Yeah.
Can put onion. Look.
หอมใหญ่
Yeah.
Does it make you cry
Yeah.
when you cut it?
This is sausages.
It's sauce. What is it? Ketchup.
Ketchup on side.
So yummy. Okay, now what is it, Aiden?
Rice.
Rice. Cow.
Cow.
Okay, how to put it in? Let me help you. We can do it together.
You do it together.
Yes. This is fun.
Yeah. But it's a whole day.
Look it.
Black.
It's black.
It's
Okay.
potato.
You can put it in now.
Soy sauce.
Do you like soy sauce?
Yeah. Smack it out. Yeah.
Try it quick. Smells so good.
Oh, it's the sugar.
Wow, looks so good, Aiden. It smells so good. Don't you think? I don't want your nose to get burnt.
Or super burn.
Yeah, super burn because it's hot.
Or you stay it too warm if you burn it.
I think it's ready.
It's done.
It's done.
It's done.
Let's eat.
Let's eat.
I'm so excited.
Open your eyes.
Wow. It's so good, Aiden. It's really good. Now you're done.
Then
Okay.
you don't get the
More?
peanut.
The pea? Okay, now your turn. Is it good?
So good.
Okay, thank you for watching.
Washing. Bye.
See you